Hey, what's up? Chiang here.
So, today we are going to set up C language environment on Visual Studio Code. We will install two things to write and compile C language program on Windows. One is Visual Studio Code and another is Cygwin 64 terminal. Alright, now let's download and install Visual Studio Code. We just simply download the installer from official website. Read and agree user agreement. This step never absent on most of app installation. Then we can pick a location to install Visual Studio Code. In this step, I choose to create a desktop icon. This is optional. Right here, we just click install and sit back. Now we just do some simple setup for Visual Studio Code and done. Now, let's move on to install Cygwin 64 terminal to allow us compile C language code on Windows. So, basically same as Visual Studio Code, we download the installer from Cygwin official website. We can choose the install location for Cygwin. I continue with default location. We can pick any server to download resources for installation. We need to install GCC and GDB package so we're able to compile and debug C program with Cygwin. Just sit back and wait it to be installed. After Cygwin install, we need to check is the C compiler and debugger properly installed. It is properly installed if it returns the version of GCC and GDB. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain. Alright, after we install Visual Studio Code and Cygwin 64, now we need to do some setup to use Cygwin 64 terminal in Visual Studio Code. We can make Cygwin as our default terminal so we can use the C compiler in Visual Studio Code more easily. Now we open a folder and try to compile our first C program with Cygwin terminal.
that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is
Before we
like
compile, we need to change the directory so the compiler can find our codes and compile it. After the compilation, an a.exe is created. We try to execute it by /a command. Yeah, the hello world program is run properly. Alright, now you can explore C programming world with Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching. See you.